Hey guys, we got the big spruce log on the mill today. It's 24 inches on the small end, 28 on the big end, and it's 14 feet long. The first order of business is going to be to shave it down a little bit so that it's easier to work with. Well, we got one side off. We had to notch it on both sides to make the saw head fit through. Well guys, that took a while, but we were able to get 26 2x4s, 14 feet long, 2 4x4s, 14 feet long, and 3 1 1/4 boards that are 13 1/4 wide. So not too bad.